Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with a Sunber hair. This is their packaging. I'm used to getting a drawstring bag, so this is really nice. So I got a box today. All right, so seeing the wig we're gonna get into. Then we have the goodies. So I have this pair of HD wig caps. I have a branded Sunber headband, elastic headband. I also have this Sunber drawstring bag. I really like this shade of yellow. It's so beautiful. And then there's the goodie bag. I got one more pair of HD lace wig cap. I got a pair of very fluffy lashes, a pattern elastic headband, and a brush lastly for the goodies in here. Now for today's wig, it's actually a jerry curly texture that we're working with, and it's a reddish brown. So the lace closure portion is a lace closure, okay, and it is a glueless wig. All right, it is a upgraded bye knots lace that we're working with as well. And you know, if you know about these knots, these blend down really nicely while being glueless on your head. So I really love that. This is how the inside of the cap looks. They, you know, it's a must that they add one of these adjustable elastic bands, and they also added 3 combs for extra security. There's also this silicone non-slip area, which is great to make sure that the wig stays put on your head. I mean, a lot of people can get a little intimidated because they're like, oh, what if the wig slides off of my head easily? And so these things that are added to the cap really helps to keep the wig on your head no matter what. And so that's the reason why I always try to give you guys a shake test. So in terms of the density, it will be listed in my description box. All the specifications will be listed. As I said, it's 24 inches, but for the specific density, I'm going to list it, so please check that out. This is a really gorgeous color for the winter time. I feel like it's so gorgeous, and it's pre-cut, it's pre-plucked. A lot is already done for you. Everything is customized for you, so this is perfect for a beginner. Please note, like, you don't have to be super experienced or experienced at all in applying wigs to rock this. So it's also a medium cap. So yeah, with all what I've said, let's go ahead and jump into this quick installation. I'm just adjusting my elastic band. Yes, the parting is lean, but I will fix that as we move along. This is what it looks like once I, you know, go ahead and apply it to my head. I really love the color. It's like a sexy kind of vibe. I love it. It is so gorgeous. Like, what? And it's pre-cut already, as I said, so very convenient. All I'm gonna go ahead and do is pretty much get my powder to further like blend the lace in, but so far it looks great. It looks great, and it's really snug. Let me do a shake test before I move any further. You see that? Yeah. And just to remind you, no baby hair is needed. So if you have no knowledge of doing your edges, no need to worry. You don't need to do that. Like, there's nothing you need to hide with edges. And if you do, you could feel free to, if you want your edges, you could feel free to go ahead and do it. But I'm just letting you know that if you don't know how to do it, don't feel pressured to, because these wigs look beautiful, like, as is. Stunning. All I need to do is really fix this parting, so let me just get into that. I'm gonna go ahead and part it right throughout the lace portion, so you see that you could give this a nice side part, a nice deep side part. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead, give it fix the center part right here. I'm gonna do, and what I well that's after I fix the parting. I always still tie my elastic band around the edge so it still press that powder in, you know. I don't know if you guys get what I mean, but it really helps even though there's no adhesive on the lace. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my wax stick. You know, we're gonna wet it up to see how it looks. I could tell it's gonna look bomb because these curls are definitely giving, you know, in their dry state. So imagine when it's wet. And I love the volume. You know, the more you kind of play with it and run your fingers through it, the bigger it gets. You see that? Oh my gosh, this is perfection. This right here is perfection. Tell the truth. Like, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. 24 inches of goodness. Wow, wow, wow. The more you comb through it, it's just the bigger it gets. Okay, that's the shedding. I would like for it to be a little bit less, but it is curly texture, so please bear in mind that it does shed. So before I move any further, I kind of just pull the headband down a little bit. I'm just gonna make the parting a little bit more precise, so I'm just gonna use some powder. And you got a nice deep part because it's still a lot of space that they give you to work, that they give to work with. So I do love that. But that is how we're looking with the hair in its dry state. Isn't that gorgeous? That is that is beautiful. That is beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and wet it up now though, and then I'm gonna remove the elastic band. Side is nice and wet. I added some conditioner. I did just some of this conditioner. It's my Damage Remedy Coconut Miracle Oil Conditioner. That's it. You see how gorgeous that is? Let's do this side and come back. So this is it. Look at those curls. Look at those curls. Movement, beautiful. The fullness, I'm not seeing through the hair. Like, that's definitely a goal. Once you're not seeing through the hair or anything, perfect. Great density. The wig looks so natural, so realistic. That's it. Glueless, completely glueless. No adhesive whatsoever. Super beginner friendly. No soups needed. So you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in my description box for everybody that's interested in getting it for themselves, or if you want to gift it to someone, you know, you can feel free to go ahead and do that. If there's any sale available, any deal, any discount code, it will be listed, so check out my description box. And that's it for today. Shout out to Sunber here for this gorgeous wig. Like, everything done for you straight out of the box. It's a 10. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.